What's the meaning of ancestor? Ancestor. 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 Ancestor.
The term ancestor refers to a person or creature from whom one is descended, such as a grandparent, great-grandparent, or even more distant predecessor. Ancestors are often considered important in various cultures and religions for their roles in passing down traditions, knowledge, and genetic traits. Understanding one's ancestry can also provide insight into one's heritage and history. Genealogical research is often used to trace one's lineage back to ancestors who lived many generations ago, often revealing previously unknown connections and identities.